Hey guys, welcome to Street Tech, and today I'm gonna show you these two types of Apple cases you can get for your iPhone. It's available for the iPad as well. If you are wondering about what type of cases you can get from the Apple, official Apple cases for your iPhone, this is the video for you. So basically what we have here are the two main cases you can get from them. So you have what we call the silicone case and the leather case. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what are the disadvantages or advantages of these two cases you can get from the Apple. Of course, there are a lot of brands you can get. You have the Belkin, you have Tech 21, and so on and so forth. But we're gonna focus in these two cases we can get from the Apple. So you can buy it in any Apple shop. You can buy it in Apple.com website as well, or even on Amazon. But you have to make sure it is real and not the fake Apple product. So yeah, we can start from this silicone case. That is actually the silicone case attached to this iPhone 7. Okay, so this silicone case actually fits snugly over the power on, so you can feel on and off button on there, and also with the volume up and down. It's perfectly fit on the curve of this iPhone without adding any bulk. So as you can see, it's not really bulky or something like that. It's just really thin. The feel of the silicone case isn't that bad. It feels, really premium. It is very soft touch finish as well. So you can feel like that. It is really soft. And I'll show you the one in the inside of this case. Just kinda get rid of the phone. Okay, yeah, that's the iPhone 7, and that is the case. Yeah, as you can see, the case itself is actually has a what we call a soft microfiber lining that is to protect your iPhone from scratches. So as you can see, there is some dust in it because it collects the dust, and it helps your phone not to get moist, or help to reduce moisture on your phone. So yeah, that is what it is for, really. That is the one. Okay, this is the silicone case. What I can say about this case is just it's really premium design. It's really nice to hold with your phone in it. It fits well, and also it's very thin. Yeah, the disadvantages are it's kinda hard to to maintain this kind of silicone case. As I can see it from here, it collects dust really easily. So you will just need to clean it once in a while, and then it hasn't got drop protection, so that means it no drop protection layer. So if you drop it, just make sure you don't drop it that tall or high. So you will need to make sure you are holding your phone really carefully, and take care of it. In terms of holding it anyway, it's not really slippery, so you have a little bit of grip. It's because it's a silicone case. Yeah, especially if you have a sweaty hand, it's alright. It can grip it. If you have a dry hand, I think it's alright as well. I don't have a dry hand. I have a little bit sweat on my palm, but yeah, it's really easy to hold it this way if you have the silicone case. Yeah, now next one will be the leather case. This one also fit very snugly over the curve of the phone, also over the power button. That's the one. Yeah, you can see it's very snappy as well, and then the volume up and down. Yeah, so that is really meant to be for it anyway. And as I said, same thing with this silicone case. It's not adding any bulk on your mobile phone, so it's literally the way your phone is. It's just gonna add up a little bit, a little bit of space on them, but it's not really too bad, to be honest. It's apparently they are made up of very special finish European leather. So it's yeah, it's a very special leather, take note of that. And in the outside, yeah, that is leather all the way through. Yeah, leather all the way through, so it's quite good. Yeah, so it's very soft and premium to touch as well, all to hold. It also has a microfiber lining inside of it to protect your, of course, mobile phone. Yeah, same thing with the silicone case. So that is really soft, so it actually protects your phone from any scratches or anything, especially for the iPhone 8 Plus, because they are glass and very, you know, very easily can get scratches. But this one will help it. And yeah, it's actually, you can use a wireless charger for your iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, and also the iPhone 10 or iPhone X you call it. Yeah, and then without taking this case off. Yeah, it's compatible with the wireless charging or wireless charger. Alright, the advantages of this case is actually still the same with the silicone case. Premium design, fits very well, it's very thin, that's all. But yeah, it hasn't got any protection for any drop, because it hasn't got any drop layer or anything like that. It's just well fashioned and designed for the Apple cases. Alright, for your iPhone, I mean. Okay, so yep, all the iPhone cases that you can get from the Apple or the manufactured from Apple are actually wireless charging capability. So if you have iPhone 8, I mean, wireless charging compatible. So if you have iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the new iPhone, yeah, they're gonna be alright with the wireless charging. Okay. In addition, in these cases, yeah, so if we will put it on the side this way, you have it's not, you know, the camera lens is not sticking out the back, so it's just safe if you wanna put or lay your phone this way. The lenses are not going to be scratched while, yeah, on that position. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, the lenses or the lens are not sticking out, so which is quite good on this case. Okay. So that too are the cases you can get. There are new cases you can get for the iPhone 10, you know, the one with the flip cover. I've seen it once, but these are the two we have today. Okay, so we have the silicone case and the leather case. That's the one. They are a little bit more money if you buy them. It's around £49. Yeah, around that price, £49. Yeah, it's a little bit expensive, but yeah, it's very nice. Okay, so thank you for watching on this video, guys, and hopefully, okay, that's all for now. So hopefully you learned something from these two cases. If you have any question, yeah, you can answer. You can ask me about it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.